Lesson 113, Prepositions. Okay, time to learn yet another grammatical term. The word preposition is a kind of word that shows a relationship, in the most simple way to describe it, a relationship between two objects. That's how I describe it here, and I think it's a good way to introduce you to the idea of prepositions. So examples of prepositions are words such as in, behind, below, above, words like that show a relationship from one thing to another. Okay, so if you have a sentence like this one here, the bicycle is inside the garage. Okay, here the word inside is a preposition. And prepositions are helpful because they allow you to use one object as a reference point to say where another thing is. And in addition to the term preposition, you also need to know what the object of a preposition is. Okay, so in this sentence here, the bicycle is inside the garage. Again, the word inside is the preposition, but the thing that you're using as a reference point, in other words, the thing that the preposition is referring to, we call that the object of the preposition. Okay, so in this sentence, the word garage is the object of the preposition, okay? And yet another term that I want to introduce you to is the term prepositional phrase. Okay, so the preposition and the object of the preposition together, those two ingredients form a prepositional phrase. So the phrase inside the garage is a prepositional phrase consisting of the preposition and the object of the preposition. So in the exercises, see if you can find and identify the preposition and the object of the preposition in each exercise. Why don't you turn off the recording and try the exercises, and when you're done, turn the recording back on and we'll go over these exercises together. Okay, hopefully by now you've finished the exercises. Let's look at number 1. Here we have the preposition behind, and it's referring to the couch. It's saying behind the couch. So the word couch here is the object of the preposition, and the phrase behind the couch is a prepositional phrase. In number 2, we have the preposition beside, and the word beside is showing a relationship to the lamp. So the lamp is the reference point. So the word lamp is the object of the preposition, and beside the lamp is a prepositional phrase. In number 3, we have the preposition in, and it's referring to the trunk. That's the reference point. So the word trunk is the object of the preposition, and in the trunk is a prepositional phrase. In number 4, we have the word through, which is a preposition. It's referring to the tunnel, which is the object of the preposition. In number 5, we have the preposition under, and the object of the preposition is house. Number 6, before is the preposition, and lunch is the object of the preposition. Number 7, after is the preposition, and school is the object of the preposition. Number 8, we have the preposition by, and then post office is the object of the preposition. In number 9, we have the preposition on, and the object of the preposition is the word campus. That's the reference point being used. In number 10, we have the word beyond. That's our preposition. And the word mountain is the object of the preposition. That's the reference point being used. Now, before we go, notice that we have different kinds of prepositional phrases here being used adverbially, okay? In exercise 1, we have behind the couch. That's a prepositional phrase, but it's acting adverbially to tell us about the action of the book falling. In number 6, we have before lunch. That's a prepositional phrase, but it's really acting in an adverbial kind of way to tell us about the activity of getting some work done. In number 9, we have on campus. It's a prepositional phrase, but it's acting in an adverbial kind of way to tell us about the action of doing something. Okay, so number 1, behind the couch, it's a prepositional phrase, but it's telling us place. In number 6, before lunch is telling us time. Number 9, on campus, again, is telling us place. So as you think about prepositions and prepositional phrases, think also about the fact that they can act in an adverbial way to describe action.